Pheze zi-34,000 izisebenzi ezilungiselela ukuyokuthoma ijima lokubalwa kwabantu kizo zonke indawo zeSouth Africa. Kanti kuzokusetshenziswa indlela ezihlukahlukeneko zokubala abantu ezifaka hlangana ukuthi izisebenzi ezikhambe zingena umuzi nomuzi nofana zisebenzise ihlelo le-technology lokubala online nofana lokudosela abantu umtato. Ijimeli lenzela ukuqinisekisa ukuthi uhulumende ufumana inani leqiniso labantu abahlala ekhethwapha kubalwa hlangana namaphandle ukwenzela ukuthi alungiselele izenzelo ezifaneleko kuhle. Uhulumende uthi ijimeli lisiza imphathimandla zomthetho kunye nabasisi ukuthi bakwazi ukuthatha izinqundo ezifaneleko.
Your universities, your businesses would want to know the changes and the updates and the differences and the movement of information for their policy formulation, their business development, their investments, their decision-making processes. So you need to constantly give yourself more foundational information.
Namhlanje ijima lokukhuthaza abantu ukuthi basebenzisane nezisebenzi ze-Census belse deep sleuth. Abantu bakhuthazwe ukuthi bavume ukubalwa ukwenza ukuthuthukisa nokufumana izenzelo ezingcono. Imphathimandla zigandelele zathi isitshaba kufanele sazi ukuthi ukubhala ukubalwa kulicala.
The data that you give to Stats SA remains with them by law. They are not going to give it to any other person. They are going to utilize it to then come back to us as a people and say, these are the number of people in South Africa. These ones are not going to school and they're supposed to be in schools. These ones are utilizing this one clinic, which means then, for example, we'll know. It means we must build more clinics, more hospitals.
Wokamagama wensebenzi eziyokubala abantu ayokhutsha kuwebsite yeziko lezembalobalo i-Stats SA. Lokhu kwenzelwa ukuqinisekisa zokuphepha emakhaya ukuthi abantu bangazifumani bangenelwa imigulukudu emakhaya ngegama lejima lokubalwa kwabantu.